until you feel that it hurts a little, but it's a good hurt, you know, that, and I'm open it up, each one by one, I'm open it up. You see that? What? Hello everyone, welcome to Music Academy International Inc. I am Liana, the founder of it, and this channel is all you need to know about piano. We're having by now over 300 videos. I'm very proud of them, to tell you the truth. If you cannot find your way into the, you know what, it's huge content. It's so huge content that I cannot even think how much I did record in the last 2 years, this channel, right? So go to the playlist and ask me questions if you have a problem or you have a question or a topic that I did not, touch. Please ask me. Or if you have a question, I will tell you exactly where to go into the playlist. So right now, a very short video. This is about stretching. How important is stretching? You have no idea how important is stretching, even for kids, adults, young adults, or for everyone. We need to have these fingers very flexible. Well, some they have bigger flexibility, some they don't, you know, that's how we are built. But if you understand that we need to stretch, it will ease to everything that you are doing in piano. As you know, even a ballerina or every athlete in the world, before they going to run or something, they do stretch for at least 20 minutes, if not 30 minutes, or sometimes even an hour, but they definitely stretch every single day. I'm not gonna say to stretch for half an hour over here, but I'm definitely gonna say stretch for a few minutes or 5 minutes before you going into the practice. So what stretching will do for you, it will put your blood ready into the fingers, and you will already be like 30% warm up even before you touching the piano. I used to stretch a lot, except you can have a performing or anything and you don't have where to warm up your fingers, so that means an extra stretching will do the trick for you, so you don't need to warm up if you cannot, you know. Well, you always need to warm up, but maybe at that particular venue you don't have any place where to warm up, so you just gotta go straight into the performance. But stretching is very good for the flexibility, because you need to have as much flexibility as your body will allow. So even if you are elderly or adults, that is like, I don't know, I've never heard of stretching, do stretch. Before I'm gonna show you how to stretch, that it's very easy. Do wash your hands with warm water before you coming and practice. That's another little tip. It's so little and so important, because you know that it's immediately relaxing, you know. So keep your hands in warm water, keep yourself in warm water for, I don't know, a minute, 30 seconds, a minute. Just leave the water and keep yourself, you know. So your fingers, they're gonna start actually be ready to play. I do have another, I remember, you know, before a concert or something like that, I will always have gloves on my fingers, so keep them warm, you know. Ballerinas, actually, they do have, I don't know how you call it, on the feet, in which they keep their feet warm. So right now, I'm going straight into stretching, so definitely you can just go and relax your hand and go all the way until you feel that it hurts a little, but it's a good hurt, you know. So you gotta go all the way, each finger at a time. Each finger, you go all, oh my God, that's so good, you know. Each finger, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I didn't do the 1, right? And 5. And you just go there and let it be, you know. You can do it here, you know, here. You can do it if you go to a piano piano lesson and you don't want to do it during the class. I would absolutely, I'm telling you, everybody, stay in the car and stretch. You know, stay in the car on the, you know, and on the seat and stretch each finger at a time. Now you gotta go 2 fingers at a time. 2 and 4. I'm stretching, so the pairs, that they are the pairs. 3 and 5, you see, again, stretching all the way. Even 1 and 3, oh yeah, that's so good. Right? Then 1 and 4, you know, the fourth, and 2 and 5, right? And right now, oh, that was so good, you know. I even forgot that one, okay. And then you can do, it's another way how I'm doing it, keeping very relaxed and putting my hand like that, and I'm open it up, each one by one. I'm open it up. You see that what I'm doing? And then here, you see, right. So this is another way how to stretch all the way down. Then just open your palm to stretch. Oh, that's such a good stretch, right? And the last one to go, it's actually the octave, in which my hand can only go up to 10 notes to be a full split. So I will go that right all the way in, right? You can go next, right? And let it and relax. So don't stay still because you cannot stretch if you, okay? E. Right? This is, okay, so now, whoo, okay, F. That's a 10. If you just can do an octave, do the octave and go inside as much as you can, create a full split, right? Then you can do a little bit of wrist circles, you know. I actually told you, you know, how to do this in the relaxation, you know, how to relax like that, wrist circles in, wrist circles out, right? So there's wrist circles, right? Shoulders out, in, you know, and now we are ready to play. Exercises, but obviously this is how you stretch. So I told you this one, it was a short one, so I wish you good stretching. You have all kind of links below into the description if you want. If you like these videos, do like, subscribe, comment. If you like all the other videos, maybe you can go on the PayPal and support my channel, or Patreon, where you can send your videos to and ask me questions. And definitely don't forget live streaming on Sunday every 6 o'clock. I am here for you to answer your questions. So if you would like to be with me, do check in 6 o'clock on Sunday. So, and let's have a chat. Thank you so much and see you in the next one. I'm getting ready for a really nice one, the Debussy Reverie. I cannot wait to do that one. Thank you. See you in the next one.